Asteraceae family. Asteraceae family is also called Compositae or sunflower family. Compositae or sunflower family. Let's be discussed about the classification of Asteraceae. Class Dicotyledons. The dicotyledon characters are four. They are mainly taproot system, reticulate venation of leaves, tetramerous or pentamerous flowers, embryo or seed containing two cotyledons, and subclass Gamopetalae. Petals are arranged in the second orals of the floral parts. That petals are fused in position. Called Gamopetalae. Inferae series. Inferior ovary flowers are placed in the inferior series. Inferior ovary flowers are placed in the inferior ovary flowers are placed in the inferior series. And the next one is order Asterales. Asterales orders are shows special types of inflorescence, that is head inflorescence. Asterales head inflorescence present in the orders of Asterales, and basal placentation also present in the order family Asteraceae. Now let's be discussed about the few plants from the Asteraceae family for the explanation of vegetative characters, floral characters, and economic important characters. Tridax procumbens. Gaddi chamanti. Helianthus annuus, sunflower. Tagetes partula, banti or marigold. Chrysanthemum indicum, chamanti. Dahlia pinnata, Echinops echinatus, mullabanti. Chicorium intibus, chicory. Parthenium hysteroporus, congress grass. In this Asteraceae family, the special types of character, one is the major character is syngenesious anthers are present in this family. Syngenesious anthers are present in the family of flowers. Now we discuss about the distribution of Asteraceae family plants. Asteraceae have about 1100 genera and 20,000 species distributed all over the world and the temperate and tropical regions. In India, there are represented about 167 genera, 900 species. They are distributed in all over India. Asteraceae family plants, 167 genera, 900 species are distributed all over India. See, these are the true plant is Tridax procumbens, Gaddi chamanti. It is sunflower, Helianthus annuus, sunflower. Marigold, Tagetes partula. Chrysanthemum indicum, chamanti. These are the main flowers, main plants for explanation of Asteraceae family, vegetative and floral characters. The vegetative and floral characters explains with one example plant is Tridax procumbens, that is Gaddi chamanti. Now first we discussed about the habitat. Habitat mainly mesophytes. The plants are developed in the mesophytic region called mesophytes. Rarely xerophytes are present. The xerophytes are Echinops echinatus. Trees are completely absent in this family. Only rarely trees are present. Vernonia genus are act as a trees. And few plants shrubs. Inula. The shrubs are inula. and mostly the plants herbs. Mostly plants are herbs habit only. Now comes to the root system. Here it is the root system, tap root system. Tap root system and fasciculated tuberous roots are present in the dahlia. It contains starch in the form of inulin. Dahlia roots are modified into tuberous roots. They containing inulin in the form of inulin starch. And a shoot. The shoot is aerial or subaerial, erect or underground. Underground in Helianthus tuberosum. Erect, prostrate in the Tridax. Prostrate means it creeping on the soil surface in the Tridax. Hairy surface, see here it is hairy surface are present on the Tridax. Herbaceous stems, angular stems or whorled stems, mainly dichasial branching. Dichasial branching means from each node, two branches are developed. Example is Tridax. And some plants shows latex. Latex produced from the some plants. Taraxacum. Taraxacum plants are produced latex. And comes to the leaf. Usually alternate or opposite. In Tridax, opposite leaves are present. Usually alternate phyllotaxy is present. Only in Tridax opposite phyllotaxy. Here it is opposite phyllotaxy means from each node two leaves are developed in opposite manner called opposite phyllotaxy. And leaves containing long petiole called pedicellate. Petulate. And green color parts are absent at lower part of petiole called exstipulate. And the leaves are shows dorsiventral condition. They are simple leaves, zigzag margin, terminal apex with reticulate venation, dorsiventral leaves, dorsal side hairy color substance, hairy color structures are present. Hairy color structures are present. In Taugetes, the leaves are containing globular surface. In Echinopsis, spiny leaves are present. In Echinopsis, spiny leaves are present. These are the normal characters of the leaf and root and shoot. And comes to the floral characters. Comes to the vegetative characters after floral characters. Here it is we discussed about the floral characters. First we discussed about inflorescence. Inflorescence mainly head inflorescence. See these flowers are inflorescence called head inflorescence. The head inflorescence is also called capitulum inflorescence. Capitulum inflorescence. And this capitulum inflorescence mainly two types of small flower like structures are present. The small flowers are called florets. The florets are two types. They are ray floret and second one is disc floret. Ray floret present at the peripheral region of the flower and disc floret present at the center region of the flower inflorescence. In the helianthus, here it is a diagram, it is the helianthus. The helianthus shows head inflorescence with convex like structure and Taugetes shows conical like structure. It is the Taugetes conical like structure inflorescence based on the florets. Based on these florets, disc florets, ray florets, mainly two types of inflorescence are present in the Asteraceae family. They are homogamous head inflorescence like this Taugetes, and second one is heterogamous head inflorescence like in Tridax and in Helianthus. Homogamous head inflorescence means either ray florets or disc florets are present. Either ray floret or disc florets are present. Here it is chrysanthemum also belongs to homogamous head inflorescence. In chrysanthemum, in Taugetes, either ray florets or disc florets are present in this inflorescence called homogamous inflorescence, homogamous head inflorescence. And heterogamous head inflorescence means in this inflorescence, two florets are present. At peripheral region, ray florets are present. At center region of the inflorescence, disc florets are present called heterogamous head inflorescence. Heterogamous head inflorescence, example is Helianthus and Tridax. Here it is, comes to the flower. After inflorescence comes to the flower. Flower mainly bracteate, ebracteate, bracteate or ebracteate. Generally bracteate flowers are present. Rarely some ebracteate, agrotonum, ebracteate flowers are present. Flowers without sessile, flowers without stalk-like structure called sessile flowers. Bisexual flowers. Bisexual flowers belongs to only disc florets, and unisexual flowers belongs to ray florets. Ray florets are unisexual, disc florets are bisexual. Complete flower, complete flowers are bisexual flowers. Complete flower means bisexual flowers. Complete and bisexual flowers belongs to disc florets. Incomplete and unisexual flowers belongs to ray florets. The ray florets present at the peripheral region. These are the peripheral region flowers, and disc florets present at the center region of the inflorescence of head, called complete flower. Pentamerous. Disc flowers are pentamerous. Ray florets are reduced in the perianth, are reduced in the petals. They are trifoliate. Mainly three petals are present. Three petals are present. Now comes to the ovary. Ovary is epigynous ovary with inferior. Epigynous flowers with inferior ovary. And comes to the calyx. Calyx present at the peripheral region of the flower. It modified into hair-like structure called pappus. See, it is pappus. Calyx modified into hair-like structure called pappus. And comes to the corolla. In disc floret, 5 petals are present. In ray floret, 3 petals are present. Whatever it may be, the flowers of petals, florets of petals are fused with valvate aestivation. With valvate aestivation. In disc floret, the flowers look like tubular structure, means tube-like structure. 5 petals are fused, they look like a tube-like structure called tubular appearance. In ray floret, only 3 petals are present. The 3 petals are fused, they look like a ligulate appearance. Ligulate appearance. And corolla shows bilabiate-like structure. Corolla shows bilabiate-like structure and colorful. Mainly yellow color, white color, orange color, blue color petals are present in the Asteraceae family petals. And comes to the androecium. Androecium stamens are 5. Syngenesious anthers. Syngenesious anthers means, here it is the syngenesious anthers. Anther lobes are fused. Here it is, anther lobes are fused, but filaments are free in position. Filaments are free in position. This type of arrangement of anther is called syngenesious anthers. And these anther filaments are attached with the petals. And these are alternate with petals and attached with the petals, called epipetalous anthers. Epipetalous anthers. At the terminal part of these anther, hood-like structure is present. Hood-like structure is present. Anthers are dithecous. The dithecous anther shows face, that face towards inside, called introdes. Introdes anthers by the longitudinal dehiscence. By the longitudinal dehiscence, anthers are spelt released pollen grains. And comes to the ovary or gynoecium. Here it is, in ray flower, anthers are absent. It belongs to only female flower. And comes to the ovary. Ovary is bicarpellary, syncarpous. Ovary is inferior, uniloculate with basal placentation ovary. Large style terminal part convert into 2 arms like structure called stigma. The stigma is bifid stigma with hairy like structures. The hairy like structures are present on the stigma. It helps in the self-pollination. In some plants, the safety mechanism pollination done by the stigma, safety mechanism pollination, later we discuss. And at lower part or basal part of ovary, disc-like structure is present. The disc-like structure produced nectary. They helps in the insect pollination. And comes to the pollination, entomophilous pollination. Entomophilous pollination means insect pollination. Through the size of the florets, the florets are small in size, they are aggregate. They are aggregated into a capitulum, and there are by appearance to attractive for the insects. The peripheral flowers, these are the peripheral flowers, they are attractive colored, and the beauty of head inflorescence by the ray florets, the flowers are inflorescence are shows more attractive. If one attracted insect landing on the head inflorescence, majority of the disc florets and ray florets are pollinated. So these are insect pollination. This type of pollination is called insect pollination. Mainly self pollination is prevented by protandry flowers. Self pollination is prevented by protandry flowers. Protandry flowers means before the development of gynoecium, anthers are developed, called protandry anthers. Only in few plants, only in few plants, the cross pollination will not occurs. The cross pollination will not occurs. At end of the flower time, the stigma turn into or bend into backside to receive the pollen grains from the same flower, called self pollination. This self pollination is called safety mechanism pollination. The safety mechanism pollination will occur in only few plants. If cross pollination will not occurs, at end of the flower time, the stigma, the armed stigma bend towards backside and received pollen grains from the same flower, called safety mechanism pollination. And comes to the fruit, indehiscent fruit like Cypsela. Cypsela containing persistent pappus. Persistent pappus means permanent pappus. Permanent pappus present on the tridax of the seeds. They are mainly helps in dispersals by the hairs. Dispersals by the hairs. And they are dicotyledon, non-endospermic or endospermic seeds. Non-endospermic or endospermic seeds. And comes to the floral formula. Here it is ray floret, called ligulate floret. They are zygomorphic condition with female flowers, means with containing ovary, calyx modified into pappus, corolla 5. From that corolla, 3 corollas are present only. The 3 corollas are fused. They are in gamopetals. And anthocium, anthers are 0. Gynoecium, ovary 2. They are fused, means bicarpellary. Syncarpus, above the 2 one line is present, called inferior ovary. It is the ray floret or ligulate floret floral formula. And tubular florets, disc floret floral formula is actinomorphic, bisexual, K modified into calyx modified into pappus, C5, corollas are 5. They are fused, means gamopetales. They are connected with anthers, or anthers connected with petals, called epipetales anthers. Anthers are 5. They are also fused, but they are syngenesious anthers. And gynoecium, bicarpellary. Syncarpus, 2 ovules, 2 carpels are present. They are fused, above the ovary one line is present, called inferior ovary with epigynous flowers. These are the floral characters. Here it is only ray floret containing only 3 petals, not 5, 3 petals. The 3 petals are fused in position. Remaining 2 petals are degenerated or reduced. And comes to the economic importance. Here it is, Asteraceae has been classified at least 10 subfamilies. So 10 subfamilies are present in this Asteraceae family. Members of this family have worldwide economic importance. Includes some has food material and ornamental plants are usually various species are used locally or industrially as a ornamental as a food plants. Here it is vegetables. Vegetables are Lectuca sativa, Chicorium, Helianthus tuberosum. These are used as a vegetables, and the seeds of used as oil. Sunflower are Niger seeds, and ornamental plants, chrysanthemum, marigold, pot marigold. These are used as a ornamental plants, and some plants are used as a medicinal plants. Some plants used as a medicinal plants. For example, Echinops echinatus, Echinops prostrata. Leaves and seeds are used as air oil. Here it is not given, but Echinops prostrata seeds are used as a hair oil. It clearing in dandruff. It clears in the dandruff. Centipeda. Here it is not given. Centipeda roots are used toothache. Tooth pains are reduced by the centipeda, and some food materials also used as tubers. Helianthus tuberosum, Dahlia pinnata. It is these are roots, and the shoots are used as a food material. These are the economic importance of Asteraceae family.